Do you want to know the difference? A doctor, is he a salesman or a consultant?
Consultant.
Can I prove it to you? May kilala ka bang doktor naglalakad, village to village? Doktor po ako, meron po may sakit dyan? Thank you. Doktor ako, meron po may sakit dyan? Walang ganun na doktor, tama? Pag consultant ka, ikaw ang nilalapitan. Because they need you, you don't need them. When you're a salesman, bro, please, halika na, speed na. Oh. Right? Don't do that. GFI, it's a way to make their dreams happen. So they need it. Because whether they join or not, you're gonna be a millionaire. Tama?
Yes.
So sino may kailangan sa GFI? Sila rin. So you're doing them a favor actually. So when you're focused on the future, you're focused on the retail profit, on the pairing bonus, on the unilevel income. You're focused on that if you're focusing on the future. But if you're focused on the benefit, bro, imagine, because of our point system magic, eventually, you can afford to pay for your own tuition fee so that you can help your mom. Like what you said, nahihirapan na siya. Are you getting the difference? When you're selling, wala kang pakialam sa kausap mo. When you're a consultant, you know exactly what they need. And you know exactly how GFI can help them. Ganun lang kadali mag-closing. It's making them realize that through GFI, they can get what they want. Right? Kaya nga ito, sa simula rin, tinatanong ko rin ito. First part. So bro, if you are to own a dream business, what would it be like? Sabihin niya, gusto ko yung malaking kinikita, gusto ko maliit yung puhunan, gusto ko kahit saan, lumalaki. Shoot na shoot ito. Are you getting it? So, gano'n lang siya. That's BEST approach. I learned this from GFI Dubai School 1, Mr. Raul Mancilla. Ever since he taught that, ginawa ko siya, it works. Dati kasi, if he asked me how to present, value added! Gano'n ang present dati. Then I realized, marami akong direct, but it's not gonna work. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao kaya yun. Right? It doesn't matter what works. What matters is what duplicates. That's why on a Saturday night, may laptop ka sa labas, it may work for you, but it will not duplicate. Importante, doon tayo sa what can duplicate. Right? So, gano'n lang mag-present. Check. Follow-up. Follow-up is simple. Within 24 hours, it's the best time to follow up with them. Strike while the iron is hot. Mamaulansa ka ba pag nakabulot ng plansahan? Tama? Kunyari, may kaaway ka, gusto mong pasukin yung mukha. Ano gagamitin mo? Nakasaksak o hindi? Strike while the iron is hot. Ganun din siya when you follow up. 24-hour rules. 24-hour rule. Follow up para sa akin in one statement is this. It's being courageous enough to make them join. Because you know, because of GFI, they can get whatever they want. That's why meron ka rin dapat follow-up list. You know, sa harap, prospect list, sa likod, follow-up list. You have to write it down. Ito yung nakausap ko, ito yung lugar, ito yung oras, ito yung background niya, at ito yung gusto niya kung ba't niya gusto mag-GFI. Example, yung nanay niya, OFW, gusto niyang pauwiin, pero wala siyang 8-9. Do you want to know the perfect follow-up for that? Hey bro, how are you? When can you start? Can we meet tomorrow? Always remember that 8-9, that your mom is way more worth it than 8-9. So, can you imagine, because of your 8-9, napapauwi mo yung mommy mo. So, nagigets nyo ba yun? So, ano yun? Focus ka sa benefit. So, ganoon lang yung rule 2. You wanna be better in rule 2?
Yes.
The best way to learn is by doing it. Talk to more people, and then whatever it is that happened, lapit ka kay upline, paturo ka. Upline, ito yung nangyari, ito yung mga tanong niya. Upline, ito yung mga sinabi ko. Is there anything else I can learn from you so I can be better? Tama? Sabi nga ni upline Ryan sino ba dapat yung gutom? Si upline o si downline? Gutom at gutom.
Downline.
Tama, if you see your upline, hindi you wanna learn, sasabihin mo, upline, talaga dito, turuan mo upline. Pero kasama, dapat hindi ka, wala kang pakialam. You're not gonna get home tonight hanggang hindi lahat ng tanong mo nasasagot. Kasi si upline, isa lang yan. Downline, marami yan. Pasaway ka, no problem. Si upline, tututong ka na hindi pasaway. Right? Marami yung leader malupit, pero marami rin pasaway. What they don't know is nauunahan na sila ng mga hindi malulupit, pero hindi pasaway. So what if malupit ka na, hindi ka pa pasaway. Ang tawag sa'yo, Mr. Miss GFI. Tama?
Yes.
Alright. Finally, rule 3 It's empower. Every time may sumali sa'yo, more than the 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, or 8, 4, 7 blades ka. Grabe yun.
7 blades.
Right? So, every time people join you, more than the money that they paid, they entrusted you eh. Nagtiwala sila sa'yo eh. But don't be emotional. Kung hindi sila active, it's not your fault. Ang importante, you're doing your part. Tinutulungan mo sila. So, as long as you're there, tuloy-tuloy ka lang, and eventually, when their time is right, babalik sila. At pag bumalik sila, your job is to make sure may babalikan. Like yung grupo nila, I heard si Kit, balik na. Yan naman babalik yun kasi may babalikan. Ganun lang kasi siya eh. So every time may mawala, that's okay. You be strong enough para pagbalik nila, you're gonna inspire them. Make sense? Yes. Kaya focus ka, yung mga, hindi ka mag-focus doon sa mga wala. Focus ka sa mga nandun. Kasi dahil doon sa mga nandun, yung mga mawala, babalik. Gets mo? Yes. Alright. I'll give you an example about this. Kunyari, meron kang baso, ang tawag dyan, green glass. Tapos ito mga buhangin. Right? The challenge is this. Bawat buhangin! Ano pag-gising eh. Kunyari yung mga buhangin ka dyan. Ang job mo is ilagay siya sa green glass. Alright? Kukuha ka. Kukuha ka. Imagine ako yung baso. Ito yung mga buhangin. Can you imagine that? Kuha ko ng buhangin. Lilipat ko sa baso. Lahat ng malipat ko sa baso, may 1, 2 ako. Bawat buhangin. Pero tanong, pagkuha ko, nalilipat ko ba lahat? May mga mahulog. So what do I do? Oh, ba't siya nahulog? Ulit nga. Oh, ba't nahulog? Ulit nga. Are you gonna be like that? Or you don't care? Pag may nahulog, okay na. Tama ba ako? Pag kinuha mo lang ulit, yung nahulog kanina, baka makuha mo na?
Yes.
Kung di mo makuha, okay lang din. Na makuha ka. So tuloy-tuloy ka lang, makukuha mo rin yun. Kaya nga ako, hindi naman sa pagyayabang. Pag may nag-no sa akin, para sa akin, hindi siya no. Nai-imagine ko na, kung gano'n ka-negative ngayon, darating yung point, upline, turuan mo naman ako, upline. It happened to me over and over and over. Yung mga negative dati, grabe yung babait na ngayon, upline, turuan mo naman ako, upline. So, loob ko, hindi pwede. So, sige, sige. Okay? So, when you empower, kung meron kang pasaway na downline, okay lang yan, kasi pasaway ka din dati. Kung iniinjan ka, okay lang yan, kasi nanginjan ka din dati. Kung tinag-talk shoot ka, okay lang yan, kasi talk shoot ka din dati. Right? Whatever it is that you're experiencing, it's okay. Kasi you experience the same. Importante lang, tuloy-tuloy ka lang, tuloy-tuloy ka lang, tuloy-tuloy ka lang. So that, eventually, lahat ng mga tumanggi sa'yo, oo, then, God, favor, para hanap yung nag-aayos ng projector. Closing is the room video. Alright? So, empower, simple. You want to really know paano empower?
Yes.
Angat ko na lang dito Ganyan, yan lang kasimple. It starts from you. You cannot teach something you don't know. So if you want to know how to teach, you have to learn first. Right? If you learn, you teach your leaders. And then, let them teach their leaders. Hindi yung indirect mo, may direct, ikaw din magtuturo. Alam mo, yung pinamali mong gagawin.
Tama.
Pero ko alam, ganun ako eh. Direct. Ako pa rin niluluwan. Mag-invite lahat, ako taga-move. Pain nga lahat. Pero kung wala ako doon, ako pagbalik ko, wala na rin sila. Right? Ang pinakamali sa networking is doing something your downline can do. Tama? Apply na siya. May napasali siya. Pabayaan mo siya magturo, pero nandun ka. Lahat ng kulang, dagdag ko na lang. Pero you appreciate him. Dapat, siya yung mukhang magaling dito, hindi ikaw. Kasi pag ikaw yung mukhang magaling, ikaw yung hahanapin lagi. Kawawa naman siya. Kawawa ka din. Right? Lang networking ka pa. Empleyado ka na lang. Bomber. Ganun ko pala eh. Bomber. Alala. Hindi naman ganun. Right? We're networkers.
Bomber.
Yes, we present. Yes, we invite. But ultimately, we create leaders. So yun. Can you imagine this? Araneta Coliseum, 30,000 downlines. Core group meeting mo sa triple blading mo. Core generals, in your triple blade, Araneta, si Jerome gumagano'n-ganon pa, bibilang yung palo. Alright? see you, triple blade. Can you imagine that? Oh, ito na lang, big bomb na lang. Inisip mo, ba't up, down na yung lahat? Kami invite. Okay, fine. 30,000 invites sa triple blade mo. Kung sumali lahat yun, that's 100 million. In theory. Gusto mo yun? Tingin mo, gigil ka mag-close. Grabe, tingin mo. Magwawala ka doon.
Oo.
Right? You want to talk in front of 30,000 people, then you talk to 100 people is a good practice. I've experienced talking to 3, 4, 5,000 people sa GFI. Nagsimula lang din ako sa maliit lang. So, can you imagine, darating yung point, you're gonna do a closing, pare, sa Big Bomb. Closing. Ganito ka mag-closing. For the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna share with you what GFI did to my life. I'm just a normal student, way back. Imagine mo, this is you, ha? I'm so sorry, but my father taught me not to disclose whatever I earn in this business. So I'm sorry, I cannot say how much I made. But these are the things that I can say. Number one, I have 485 Millionaires Club under my organization. I have 91 MMCs under my team. I have 1,712 people who were able to buy their dream cars because of this business under my team. I have 94 leaders who's making 1 million a month. Okay? And oh, by the way, I'm 17 years old. Value. That's the best closing you can ever make. You don't need to say how much you made, but yung resulta ng leaders mo, you can use that. That's what's my dream. Right? So, ganun siya.
Amen, bro.
So, in closing, we're gonna share with you a very powerful video. Sino mga hindi pa nakakita na to? Ito na lang pa yung tanong ko. Sino mga nakakita na nito? Taas kamay. Sino mga nakakita na nito ng 50 times or more? Taas kamay. 50, 50 or more. Good. Ako din. Yung mga hindi pa nakaka-50, okay lang yan. Hindi ka uuwi hanggang hindi 50. So, 50 times 50, it's just 2 hours and a half.